What is up, trading family, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Lovro Skurna, and I'm owner and founder of FX Solution Trading Academy. And for today's video, we are going to go over my first and most important strategy, which I use daily to trade in the Forex market, as well as indices and commodities. So we are going to dive right into this video, and I'm going to show you the way that I like to trade this exact strategy. So let's dive right into it, and let's first take a look at this chart. This right here is a clear bullish uptrend, and a bullish uptrend is built from clear higher highs and higher lows. But majority of you already know that, and I know this will not be interesting for you. So let's right dive into this strategy. So usually what the traders are gonna do in this case, they are going to wait for a breakout of this trend line, and they are going to enter their trade right here after the breakout has happened. And this is why the majority of traders lose in the Forex market, because this is wrong. And I'm going to show you now why. So let's take a look at this once again. The trend stopped pushing upward, and now the breakout has happened. And we could have two possibilities on this one. The breakout could be like this, and we could have a possible retracement back to the uptrend. What you want to do as a winning trader, you want to wait for a clear breakout of this level. And now I'm going to show you a little bit more about this, what you want to wait. And as you can see, you always want to wait for the price to retest the last higher low in order for you to enter a sell trade on this one. And as you can see, this is a buildup of our next bearish downtrend, which is now a lower high on this one. And here you can wait for a clear rejection, for a clear confirmation on this zone for you to enter a sell trade. But as majority of you already know that, the people who follow me, they know that I have another strategy which I like better, and that is the build-up of head and shoulders after a bullish or bearish run. We are going to go over a bearish downtrend strategy in the next video, but for this one I want to go over the bullish in a clear sense for you to understand this one. So this is the first strategy, which is perfectly fine if you're going to trade it and if the trend is going to push a lot lower. But first, you're going to need to wait for the lower high to be built around this level, the last higher low, the previous higher low of this level. So what you want to do now here is, for my best strategy, I'm going to show you now. Here we have the next zone. This zone was used as a resistance of this higher high, higher low, and then the price break out of this zone and used it as a new support, but haven't respected it. And you, as a winning trader, again. And as you can see now, we have a lot more possibilities on this one. And as you can see now, we have a lot more confirmation. The price retested the last higher low on this level, and the price is building a head and shoulders pattern. Just that here for you. And shoulders. And as you can see, head and shoulder pattern was built on this one. And you as a winning trader have to wait for this strategy to build up exactly like this. Sometimes one shoulder could be a little bit higher or lower, but as long as it is a clear head and shoulder pattern, you can enter this trade right here. And that would be an aggressive entry on this one. And if you want to enter it more clearly, so you want to wait for this neckline right here to be broken and retested once again to enter a possible next trade, a secure one trade. Let me just put that right here. So these are the two possibilities in which you can take your trade. We are going to go a little bit more deeper in the next videos that I'm going to do for you, but that will be all for today. And I want to thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for the support. Please leave a like and comment down below, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.